Hey y'all, welcome to JenJens Kitchen, where we're bringing families together one recipe at a time. In today's video, I'm going to be making lobster tails. This is part one of a 3-part series. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you turn on that notification bell. Thanks!
You're going to begin by butterflying the lobster tails. Now you're going to place a skewer in it. Now to start making the garlic butter sauce, start by cutting the garlic. Throw in a stick of butter and all of your spices. Then microwave it all. Time for the best part, grilling. You're gonna grill the flesh side for 6 minutes. Then you're gonna flip and grill another 3 minutes. While it's cooking, you're gonna brush on the garlic butter.
If you like this recipe, make sure to click one of these links and stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 of this 3-part series. Thanks!